Hello, everybody in the world. This is Adel mazloom and nickname Bonjksiki from Egypt. I am calling about important events in the Middle of East for going up to peace, but that's hard in these events. What is the meaning of peace in this area and going up for trading in future about killing Palestinian is continuously that's clearly in these events. All of kings and leader of Arab countries is going up for searching about these events for Arab countries and Palestinian. That's truth, but no hard for searching this because Israel is going up for killing Palestinian day after day and hungry all of people of Palestinian. That's true for this event. And the manager of American by Biden, Blinken, and Kirby is calling all times for peace and step by step quiet. That's no clearly, never ever. That's playing for continuously. Israel is going deleting Palestinian and going up for eating Gaza. That's true about this. How is coming in the future? The God is taking this about him. The God is taking the brains about all of Arab countries and all of kings and leader of Arab countries for searching about this. But in Ramadan is going that's true. All of people Arab countries is going up for Ramadan as soon as anything is going for this. But killing Palestinian and Hungary is going up, and killing in Lebanon, in Hussein, in Yemen, and in this area is very fire in the future because playing of manager of American is going up for this street, and in United of letter by Biden is going about this, and that's clearly about this calling. Blinking and Lickerbry is keep quiet step by step for calling in Qatar, Egypt for these moments. But Israel is not clearly about to go in peace. That's true. Please, step by step for peace for the ancient of Arab countries and peace going in the world. Thanks for meeting by Adel mazloom Bonjkelsiky come to your size in tourism of adequate in Egypt. Good luck.